taga-sundo ako, guys. Fast finish, fast finish. Mabilis niya! Sabi sa'yo, mabilis niya. Oh, parang Japan, guys.
Ano ba naman ito? Nangangain ng pangat talaga ito.
Baba mo! Baba mo!
Baba ulit tayo.
Baba na tayo. Yan. Okay. Ground floor. Okay. 5. Yan. Okay na. Okay na yan.
Ito tayo matulog sa elevator.
Yes. Morning. It's raining. Basang sisi. Medyo basa tayo today, guys. It's raining. Ito daw yung summer nila dito. So today we are going to pick up the car that I will be driving here. We are gonna drive today to Taupo. And it's gonna be very interesting kasi nga parang left side ang drive dito. Paikot-ikot na kami dito sa airport. Domestic easy ay car rental pala yung napuntahan ko. Now I'm trying to find the international one. Got the car! Finally! Okay, dito na kami. Hanapin namin si May.
Ay, ano pala yan? Video.
Species.
Nervous ako. Bakit?
Takin na right hand drive. Parang kailangan ko muna yung ano. Ay, hindi ka mamatulog. Sigurado, Kasha. Naka-record pa yan. Yay! Okay, let's go. We did it. We are going to Taupo now. Woo! We made it! Live! Dito siya. So, naghahanap na kami ng flag namin.
Within the first 90 days of registration opening.
The magic coin.
The go faster coin.
You could do her surname, Red Grey, R.
Is that the right emergency phone number?
Correct?
263.
Should I press this?
Twice it.
Very hard. Yun yung pinakamasaya. Ang Merchandise Expo! Ayan, ito talaga ang pinunta ko dito. Wala na atang small. Tapos na kami mag-shopping.
Wala na kaming pera.
Wala na kami pera. And well, ubos na rin ng sizes, but I guess just in time, right?
Yes.
For the things that we needed. So ngayon pupunta kami sa banquet, which is 1.2 kilometers away.
Alam mo, 1 kilo. Yung sinasabi na abot pala to.
hindi ko rin alam eh. So, ito na yung warm-up for the banquet. Diyan ako nakapark, Beshi.
Seryoso?
Yeah, yun o. Makikita mo yung bahay nandyan. Yeah, ayun.
Ano naman yun, no?
Bongga. Diba?
Huli natin yung bag.
Hi, thank you! Ate, congrats daw. Hi.
Very good. Enjoy the na.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello!
Kain na. Umalis na kami kasi yung bike namin hindi pa buo. So, bye-bye guys. Pauwi na muna kami. At least meron na kami free dinner. With ay, wow. 17. You know. Okay, exit. More walking. I've done 15,000 steps already. Right now, since napansin namin na wala na masyado nakapark kasi tapos na yung parade. Ayan. I'm gonna get the car that I park so very, very far away para makapag-park na kami doon malapit sa lodge. Actually, parang ano lang to, Sydney Marathon feels. Ikot muna, pasyal. Stressful ah. Bigat pa ng backpack. Finish na tayo. Si Madam.
Wait, nahanap ko yung torque. Magkamali ako ng torque.
Amazing. Amazing Maytan.